Hello, I'm Garrett Watson with Made Fitness Training Center, and today I have another example of what we call Kettlebell TRX 50-50. It's when we spend half of our time on the kettlebell and half the time on the TRX. We're using 45-second intervals to go from kettlebell exercise to the TRX exercise, and we'll do it 3 different times using 2 exercises before we go to the next series, where we'll introduce another 2 exercises, and then finally we'll go to one more series where we're going to introduce another 2 exercises. Again, these are going to be 45 seconds on the kettlebell and then 45 seconds on the TRX, done 3 times before moving on to the next series. Okay, for the first exercise, we're going to a clean and press, hand-to-hand clean and press. So the hand-to-hand clean and press is going to be here. I'm going to clean it, I'm going to press the bell, and then I'm going to switch hands. I'm going to clean the bell, I'm going to press the bell, I'm going to clean, I'm going to press, and I'm using a hand-to-hand exchange to do it. After my 45-second hand-to-hand clean and press, I'm going to what we call overhead squat. The idea is keep your hands straight overhead as high as possible, as long as possible. Okay, we're opening up, hips are coming back, and we're driving the arms straight up, squeezing the shoulder blades back and together, and we're working for 45 seconds to that overhead squat. Then of course we'll go back to the clean and press for 45 seconds, then back to the overhead squat, clean and press one more time, then overhead squat. Now we're going to move on to the next series. The next series is going to be a tactical lunge. So what we call it, to a TRX Y. So the tactical lunge is going to be here. I'm going to keep the bell in the right hand. I'm going to step back with the left leg. Right hand, step back with the left leg, putting it through. Now I'm going to go have the bell on the left hand. I'm going to step back with the right leg. Working for the 45 seconds. The next exercise, the TRX Y. TRX Y is going to be here. I'm opening, squeezing the shoulder blades back in together and ending up in a Y. Okay, I'm here, starting position, in position, starting position, in position. So second series is the kettlebell tactical lunge to the TRX Y. The final series is going to be a row. Now we're going to spend 3 reps on each side. So we're rowing 1, 2, 3 on one side, switching 1, 2, 3 on the other side, switching back and forth 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The final TRX exercise is going to be a push-up to a jackknife. So I'm going to put one foot in, across the other one over the top, and I'm going to roll towards my top foot. I'm all set up, good to go. Quads tight, glutes tight, stomach braced, and I'm pushing up. The top, I'm bringing the knees in, back out, push up, jackknife. Push up, jackknife. Push up, jackknife. If you need a rest, put your knees on the ground, and when you're ready to go, continue. Push up to a jackknife. When I'm done doing my push up to the jackknife, I'm going to go back to my row. And of course, back to the push up to the jackknife. One more row, and push up to a jackknife to end this workout. Each one of these series should take about 10 minutes to complete. With all 3 series, the workout should be about 30 minutes long. And this is another way to create workouts with a little bit of equipment, just a little bit of time. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.